In the modern society, many people have different health problems with their joints. Many statistics shows that there are many people who suffer chronic pain in the worldwide. For example, according to National Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicine, there are about 100 million adults suffer from chronic pain in the US. Although people will go to see doctor when they feel joint pain, they spend less time or even neglect to maintain a joint health. For example, they are unwilling to go hospital clinic to have a regular follow-up treatment because of time-consuming. Then, this is a great possible that their joint pain will be relapsed again. Given this problem, Nimble Body project is to develop a mobile application for a quick self-assessment of the well-being of human joints. It can be used between doctor consultations or simply self-monitoring. So, let's watch following video demo which shows a user who do a wrist joint measurement of our application for check his health of wrist joint by himself. It is necessary that user need to use Nimble Body mobile application to connect the wearable measuring sensor device before starting the measurement. Then, set measurement you wanted and start to measure. Firstly, the measuring system introduces the detailed description of selected joint and some required item for measurement use. Beside, there is a set voice instruction, text instruction, image and animation instruction which would clearly to guide user to do during in-hole measurement procedures. Secondly, would tell user to wear a sensor in a correct position.
Instruction. Please wear the sensor on the back of the hand, then click the box below the button.
Third, would tell user to move the joint to an initial position. Concurrently, the sensor monitor always check whether user's joint position is correct or not.
Try again.
After the initial joint position correctly, system would tell user to move the joint to a final position. Concurrently, the sensor monitor always check whether user's joint movement and direction is correct or not. Finally, joint movement to final position, the system would calculate the degree between initial joint position and final joint position. The degree of result indicates a level of range of motion (ROM) of user's joint. If the degree achieves a standard range of motion degree of the specific joint movement, it means the user's joint is healthy. Inversely, if the degree is lower than standard range of motion of the specific joint movement, it indicates that the user's joint has problem. It is worth mentioning that commonly the error rate of degree result is around 1.6% to 3.5% compared with the universal ROM measurement way. However, user can go to logbook for keep tracking the joint health easily. Overall, Nimble Body can reduce the public and user medical expense and reduce the hassles of clinic visits with equivalent result and reliable assessment. It also helps users keep track on the records to speed up joint recovery based on keeping measure and maintenance. Besides, it provides early detection of joint problems, especially for the elderly. In the long term, the self-help, simple, portable, faster and reliable ROM measurement system can bring a lot of benefit to public to improve the quality of health service in society.